Countdown to tax day is now on. Less than 2 weeks you have now to file those taxes. And joining us this morning to give us some last-minute tips is our good friend, certified public accountant, Sonia Narvaez. She's joining us this morning, answering your last-minute tax questions. Good to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Good morning.
Okay, so let's talk first about any last-minute things that we need to know now that we are less than 2 weeks away. It's sort of crunch time, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, what do you want people to know?
Well, first, slow down.
Okay.
Let's take a look at where you're at. This will avoid mistakes that we really do not want to have. One of the things that we are seeing at this moment is individuals who owe money, and they do not know how to go about it. So the first thing that we would want them to know is the extension. If they have to file an extension, the extension is for the filing of the return, not for the money owed on that return.
Okay. So basically the government is saying, look, it's fine if you want to do the paperwork later, but we need the money now, right?
That's correct.
But how do you know how much money you owe if you haven't done the paperwork?
That's correct. That's usually the tricky part.
Okay.
And it's best to estimate a little higher and get some of it back than actually incur a penalty. Just be careful, don't overdo it.
Okay.
Because then you're overpaying for no reason, and may take some time until you get the right forms to be able to file that return.
You mentioned about the whole thing about not making mistakes. I mean, I think most people, this is very foreign to them. They go about trying to do their taxes, and it's like trying to read in Greek. They have no idea. You're good to go get a little bit of help, right? Someone like yourself who can kind of walk you through it.
We always recommend, depending on the return, depending on how much you understand, if it gets over a certain amount of money, that you may go into the IRS website, and that's no longer something you could do, and you're very confused, seek for help. Google.
Yes. It's not that hard. Yes. Right. Asking for help's not that hard. Doing the taxes is not easy. Okay, and you're going to stick around and answer questions, right? Yes. Okay, wonderful. So if you have questions for Sonia and you have not had a chance to file your taxes yet, all you have to do is just go to our website, fox35orlando.com, and we will have all the information for you right there. Sonia Narvaez, thank you so much for being with us this morning. We really appreciate your time. All right, right? Over to you.